never gets
bro,
old.
who got you smiling like that? Like,
Kill the light, so baby close your eyes. The way you're looking at me, you got me mesmerized.
No, it's crazy, huh? We're gonna work on this car here. Ooh, what do we have to do, Leonid? Valve cover gasket right now.
Valve cover gasket right now. Valve cover gasket right now.
Sponsored, yes. Yeah, very good. Давай. You can take everything off without the tools. Yeah, with just the fingers. That's crazy. I want to see how you remove those 10mm bolts. Yeah. That's a secret? Damn. You gotta share that secret with me at least. I want to be able to remove stuff without having to use tools. Damn. How much you charge for school, bro? How much you charge for school, bro? I want to learn your tricks. Crazy.
20 grand.
20 grand a minute. Ay, ay, ay.
We can work something out.
Damn. How much do you know about the backfire, bro?
My car backfires.
Oh, backfire right there, bro. Got him, Chukcha. Leonid, Leo. Removing the valve cover.
Instant coffee. The coffee's pretty instant.
The coffee's pretty instant.
The coffee instantly coffees.
Look at you. Putting love to classic BMW. So, seems like we got the wrong valve cover gasket. We're gonna be putting everything back together, Leonid. You just did the work for nothing. Ay, 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 ay. Story of your life. Snapchat time now.
No, let's go call.
Call O'Reilly. Auto Parts. Meow.
1 hour later.
What you gonna do when they come for you? You know what? Working hard, this man, right here. Give him some applause. Look, watch this. Oh, it doesn't work. I gotta turn the key on. Good job. Looks good.